So this is my image. I'm going to compress now. Before that, let's show you the current size of this image. We can see 2.54 megabyte. Now all you have to need, go to your Photoshop, open the photo in your Photoshop. Now go to File and hover over on Export and then click on Save for Web. Here preset, select JPEG Low, and here select JPEG, and here select Low, and must check Optimized option. And after compressing the image size will be only 654 kilobyte. Now just click on Save and rename the image and just save your image. Now I'm opening my File Explorer and right clicking on the image to open the properties. Here we can see the new image, and we can see the image size is only 655 kilobytes. So that's how you can actually compress any image without losing image quality.